Okay, Trent, I'm showing you how I've got the idler pulley lined up with the bottom pulley. So everything is pretty good. I tweaked it over like you suggested. And what we're going to do is we're going to start the motor, and you'll notice how the belt will migrate to the outside of the idler pulley, and that's what's fraying that belt. You can probably see the fray right there. So now I'm going to zoom back out, and we will start the motor, and you probably won't be able to hear me when the motor's running, but just watch that position of the belt on that idler pulley. See how it's straightened? It's pretty well squared away, centered up, with the other pulley and the belt centered up on the idler pulley. So we'll zoom back out, and we'll start the engine. Okay, here we go. Now see how it comes back to the outside of the pulley. So I don't know what the problem is. We've got an alignment problem somewhere, and I'm at my wit's end of figuring it out. So I'm going to send this video to you and see what you can do with it.